We have overall experience with this ice bath. It's a very great machine that we are using here. The best feature about it is about the water, the cold water itself. In our gym, our clients using more often, after their workouts because it helps their muscles. It impacted the image of our gym because they're using it in our platinum membership. After using this ice bath after the workout, they feel comfortable, especially with the muscles. With the maintenance, it's very easy to set up because we just need to change the water and that's it. Of course, we have to recommend it with the other gym in Sharjah because this is good for your gym. This is the best ice bath that we tried. So the improvement, no need for the improvement. Just make it just like that. For those gym person, you have to use the ice bath after the workout. It helps you. You will sleep well after. After that, you will not feel the pain.